Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site, that is Usogi Network. Fast innovative system that reinvents the decentralized finance incubator concept to prepare solution and support for startups that provide environmental projects, provide profitability to their users, and at the same time provide a real solution to climate change. The entire basis of the smart contract was taken from a trusted Ethereum based Reflect project. The vast majority of decentralized finance projects require trust in a central party and interaction with complex, buggy, and easy to hack contracts. What Usugi Network are trying to do is to create a self sustaining ecosystem for perpetual deflation that works like a perfect cycle. Their native Usugi token will provide a stable price pump with sufficient combustion mechanism. They are not trying to replace the exchange but to add value to their system and to create a sustainable environment for people while contributing to self-sustainable projects that help the environment in a real and direct way. Knowledge of agile methodologies for product development and the skills of their team allow them to form startups capable of solving real challenges in industry and society. Usugui Network focuses on go-to-market, product market fit, and growth hacking to scale and internationalize the startups of their future portfolio. Innovation is in their DNA, which allows them to manage innovation process, address open innovation challenges, and generate a culture of innovation in industry and organizations that face new challenges of digitalization and digital transformation, generating greater opportunity for growth and positioning. Let's have a look on their roadmap of Usugui Network. They divide their roadmap in three priorities. These are urgent, high, and medium priority. From this urgent priority, they have already launched token in Binance Smart Chain on April 6 and also launched website on April 13. They have some future urgent priority. Those are marketing strategy, sponsor search start, airdrops, pre-sale of USG token, launch USG on PancakeSwap, liquidity lock, audit, and partnership with environmental projects. For high priority, they planned IFO in partnership with other projects, Betting and Games, list in CoinGecko, list in CoinMarketCap. Landing and community ideas are their medium priority in their roadmap. A question can come to your mind that how will decentralized finance project benefit from Usogui? The decentralized finance world will highly benefit from the development of this new system, the Usogui Network. This platform will work towards creating highly functionable and self-sustaining decentralized finance project in three ways. First is the incubation level. The incubation level refers to the development level when platforms are yet to be listed on exchange. Thus, pre-listing and listing periods are where the projects are most vulnerable to failure. Therefore, they need guidance. During this period, developers require serious support in various ways, including market, advertisement, advisory, etc. Usugi will offer startups pre- and post-listing incubation by advising, marketing, and steering them in the right direction. Second is strategic partnership level. Partners are vital for the success of any project. Projects with multiple partnerships have a better chance of succeeding in the short and long run. However, getting partnership is not entirely easy for upcoming projects. Usugui, however, will interact with project on a strategic partnership level. It will help new projects set up good social media strategies that will attract and maintain followership. Generally, Usugui will optimize startups on their social media networks like Twitter and Telegram. Similarly, they will help projects search for new association and sponsorship. And last but not the least in is general contribution level. The final stage of Usugui contribution is on the general level. Here, Usugui will help in managing over-the-counter sales and the request from the community. However, unlike in earlier stages, Usugui will not be directly involved with the project at this level. So guys, join Usugui network and start to income with security.